Hello, host now. Look at what I'm talking about. If the error I'm talking about previously, if you click on WPvivid backup, you go to backup and restore. Click on it. I've already installed it. Now, once you click on scan uploaded backup or receive backup, this error I'm receiving. This is error. See the error I'm receiving. This error initially it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen ab initio it doesn't happen. But now I'm seeing this error. So I don't know the reason. And even though if you want to upload files, if I want to upload file, go to upload. This backup, I want to upload file from my local host. Maybe the ones I did in my local environment. I want to upload to live server. I want to upload the local environment and created file to live server. Select on the file. If I click on select on the files, go to downloads. Let me see. Now see the file I want to upload. It's WPvivid. I created it with the same plugin. Now I want to upload it to my live server. It's a restore. See what is going to happen now. Click on restore. See 4%. 1%. It will come back. 4%. It will come back to 1% until you see an error. You see what 1%. It will come back to 4%, 1%. So I just want you to fix this, and if you can test it, upload any local environment file for me, maybe any WordPress file for me. See the error. Upload local editing WPvivid or error code. See what I'm saying. But this doesn't happen before. My main site I uploaded with this plugin. Now I want to create for somebody for a client. I'm seeing this error. Why should this error be here? That's my problem. Help me and fix this thing. Thank you and God bless you.